Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Aishwarya Arora and I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I've come up with 5 super easy hairstyles for short hair girls. You can make these hairstyles whenever you are getting late or you're running out of time, you don't have time to do your hair. These hairstyles gonna rock your look in just few minutes. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it so that you will get updated whenever I post my next video. Also, I want to thank you guys for showing so much love to my first video. I was so overwhelmed when my video crossed 1K views in just 2 days. It means a lot to me, guys. Like, it's a big thing for me. That was my first video. I didn't knew if you would like the content that I created, if you would like my makeup look. I was just so happy after seeing you guys liked it so much. Thank you so much, guys, for showing so much love, for supporting me. Keep supporting me, guys. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah. And if you haven't watched my purple makeup tutorial yet, go watch it. The link is in description box. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. Do follow me on Instagram for more updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so hairstyle number 1. What you need to do is just do middle part or middle section of your hair. You can do it with your hands or with the help of comb or a tail comb, however you like it. You have to take all of your hair behind to make a ponytail like this. Now you just have to tie your hair with a rubber band like this, or any rubber band. You can use plastic rubber bands. I prefer to use cloth rubber bands. So just have to tie your hair in a ponytail, okay, like this. You just have to tie your hair. Now you have to pull out some hair, like take out some legs if you like to. If you don't want to do it, you can skip this, okay, but I like to take out some of my hair from the front so that it looks more nice on my face. It just looks nice. See, you're ready. See how easy was that? Hairstyle number 2. Just part your hair from the side, okay? Take all your hair behind again. If you want, guys, you can make a ponytail like we made in the previous hairstyle, but here I'm gonna make a bun, okay, like this. You just need to make a bun, okay, and tie it with a rubber band again, or you can secure it with jura pins or whatever you prefer, okay. After that, you just need to pull some of your hair and it's done, like sweet. Okay, also you can take out some of your hair from the front like this. This hairstyle is so easy, guys. You can make it in just seconds. See? Style number 3. Just do middle section of your hair. Okay. Now you have to make a section from here, like from the arc of your eyebrow. Okay, from here, like this. Okay. You have to take these hair up and see. You have to make a section like this, okay? Now, what you need to do is just take some hair from the front and leave the rest of the hair behind. You need to just roll it and just take some hair and then roll them with it, okay? And take some more hair and then roll them with it. Okay. Now you're done, and with a bobby pin you have to secure it. And you have to repeat it on this side as well. And you are done. Hairstyle number 4. Middle part of the like that. And now take the crown section like this, okay? And just roll them like this. Roll them like this, okay? Just have to roll. Now you have to secure them with a bobby pin or a tic tac pin, however you like it. Take out some flicks. There you go. Hairstyle number 5. Middle part your hair, okay, and take some hair out like this from both sides. You need to do it from both sides like this, okay? You need to leave them and take your hair from your crown area like this, okay, with your fingers. You don't need to use a comb, like it looks beautiful like this. You can use your fingers, okay? Now you just give it quite a lift. Secure them with some tic tac clips, okay? You can secure them like this, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Keep supporting me, guys. I need your love. Also, do tell me in the comment section which hairstyle you like the most. Mwah. Bye, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.